Pollutants can build up indoors, gases, allergens, and particles. So Dyson's purifying fan heaters use sensors to detect them, capturing them inside sealed HEPA and carbon filters to clean the air. Then project 290 litres per second to cool you or heat your whole room with purified air.